I'm John from Baumgardt's Auto Repair. Today we're going to take a look at the Knipex CutiX 9010 165 BKA knife. It's one of the knives that's got the sliding blade that you can just break it off. Says it's got an 18 millimeter blade. Right off the bat, it looks like really any other knife of this type, but there are several differences. The blades that come with it seem to be a better blade compared to the ones from the big box stores, but it will hold them. The case is a nice magnesium case. It's got very good grip. It's easy to grip if you've got oily hands, where some of the kind of no-name brands, they'll be coated with rubber, which works great when you're working with dry hands, but when they get covered in oil, they get quite slick. The Knipex knife has a storage that slides out the back and holds 2 more blades. So after you're done running out of blade, which always happens to me, I'll get down to the last section and be in the middle of doing something and realize I don't have another blade with me. So it really leaves me high and dry sometimes. So with the Knipex, as long as you keep at least 1 extra blade in there, you'll be good to go. It's easy to change the blades. Just slide the blade out. Then this button here on the back, when you push it, pull your blade out. Then when you're ready to replace it, stick your blade in, slide it in, push your button. Now you're good to go. One other real nice advantage that I have enjoyed when using the knife to cut, say, thick foam board for any reason, when you have your blade extended out on a regular one, your cuts always end up real wavy. Well, the Knipex knife has got a really pretty good solution. It has a stabilizing bar that will slide over the top of your blade, and that really gives more of a more rigidity to your blade. And also, if you need to put your finger on it, as you're trying to make something more of a precise cut, it helps with that as well. It has a tethering hole, so if you want to, if you're working up on a ladder, and you can have this tied to your tool belt. If it drops, people below you don't have to worry about getting hit, and you don't have to worry about going back down the ladder and coming back up because you dropped your knife. The only thing that I have missed with this knife that I do not like is if you need to snap a section off, you actually need to grab a pair of pliers to do it. It does not have a feature to be able to slide off and stick on the blade and snap it off like some of the other ones do. That's really the only thing that I don't care for on it. But to me, this is a small thing because I usually have a pair of pliers with me when I'm using it anyway. But there you have it. That's my review of the Knipex knife. Thank you very much. Have a great day.